want you to keep posting content because that's the only way you're going to grow. And I want you to keep posting that content because as you post that content, you're going to build that muscle up. The muscle of creating that content, the muscle of creating those videos. This video is going to be calm because I know some people saying it looks like I'm picking on them, but I'm not picking on you. I'll be pointing at you, telling you to get on YouTube and post your videos and post those shorts. No, I'm not going to pick on you in this video. I'm just going to encourage you because I want you to keep posting content because as you posting those content, you're building your muscle. The muscle of creating content from your mind and the muscle of being in front of the camera, creating those videos in front of the camera. So let's take both of them one by one. Creating content. You're using your mind. You're saying, well, I want to shoot a video, but what I'm going to talk about. Just think about what you experience. Everything is content. From now, all the way back from when you was born. That is content. And since that is content, you have a plethora of ideas that you can talk about. You just need a way to frame it in a manner that will inspire, motivate, or even encourage somebody. Just keep posting content. You might say, it's insignificant. I don't know if I should talk about that. That's the very thing you should talk about. I'm sorry, I'm not going to point at you. That's the very thing you should talk about. The thing you say is insignificant might be so significant to somebody who will listen to that video and be encouraged or motivated to come out of the situation that they're in. That's why you got to keep posting content. Whatever the content is, it doesn't have to be motivational or it doesn't have to be so sad. It could just be something from your everyday life. You're going to the store. I just came from my second favorite place, Costco's. I said it, Costco's. You want to monetize my channel? Costco. Sponsor this video. I went to Costco. I could have shot videos in Costco, but I said, nah, I don't want to do it because I got to get in and get out. I don't want to, take so much time setting up the camera and trying to work everything out. I just wanted to be focused. But that was content. All that is content. Since that's content, I could have shot a video going to Costco, walking in Costco, picking out different items. That's content. What do you do? Matter of fact, what did you do right before you watched this video? I'm still pointing. I'm sorry. What did you do before watching this video of me asking you and telling you keep posting content? What did you do? Type in the comment section. The very thing you did, and I'm sorry, I'm going to point at you. The very thing that you have done before you watched this video, that was content. And you could have shot the video. You didn't have to say anything. Just shoot the video and post it. Put a title to it. My day going to the store. My day watching My Time community where he grows your channel, help you grow your channel as you grow your life. I'm watching My Time. That's content. So whatever you did is content. That's why you got to keep posting that content. Now, for you to build the muscle, you building the muscle of creating the videos. How you building that muscle creating the videos? You got to get in front of the camera. Just like me. When I first started YouTube, I didn't want to get in front of the camera. I made some faceless videos. Yeah, I'm going to get monetized. Yeah, I got the 4,000 subscribers. I got the 1,000 subscribers, the 4,000 watch hours. I'm good, but it wasn't good because it wasn't my original content. And YouTube says, it's not yours, man. I got people, some more people got the same thing you got. I say, it's mine. They say, no, it's not yours. It's mine. I paid for it. I paid somebody on Fiverr. Fiverr, you want to sponsor this video? Fiverr, when I get monetized, Fiverr, sponsor the video. I went to Fiverr. Hired somebody to make some videos, over 100 videos, put it up there. But he gave those same videos to somebody else. It wasn't my content. That's why I'm saying build your muscle. Make your own original content. Your original content is the videos that you create yourself. If you stand in front of it, you creating it yourself. You making those videos. Might take time to be faceless, you making them yourself so nobody can claim and say that's theirs or it's on their channel. It's your original content. That's why you building your muscle. Creating those content, you building your muscle. Standing in front of the camera. Like I'm building my muscle. When I first started, I was stiff. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to or I had so many in my first couple of videos. I was like, I ain't posting this. No. The title should have been from the beginning to the end. But now I might flub some words, but I'm more strict on what I want to talk about. Just like I'm telling you now. Keep posting content because everything is content and you can post about it. Because when you build your muscle by being in front of the camera, being comfortable in front of the camera, being committed in front of the camera, and being confident in front of the camera, that's what you need to do to be successful on YouTube. Keep posting content. So like I tell everybody, this is my life, this is my experience, this is my time, where we help you grow your channel as you grow your life.